Good afternoon, this is SWAT Spam, and we're back again with another SEO basic video. So, a friend of mine asked, how do we install or share access using Google Tag Manager? So, all you gotta do is go to googletagmanager.com. So, tagmanager.google.com, log in there, and then if you don't have account, just create an account for the website that you're trying to optimize. Let's say I'm doing this for my personal blog. Let's say I'm serving, I don't know, Qatar or whatever. Then put your website's URL here. So in this example, it's swatspam.com. So that's www.swatspam.com. Alright, so you're just creating a Google Tag Manager account. It's for the web. Click on create, and that should put you in the Tag Manager section. So in the Tag Manager section, you click on accounts. Look for the account that you just created. So in this case, kunyari, it's swatspam.com. Click here, and then from here, go to admin, right? And you really just want to install Google Tag Manager here. So click here and then copy this code. So what you do is you insert this in the header.php of your website. So it could be a WordPress website, just for argument's sake. Let's use the blog as an example. So I'm gonna go in here and I'm gonna look for my theme editor. And from my theme editor, from my editor, it's gonna load. I'm just gonna look for the header.php or the theme header, and then I'm gonna lazily slap the code somewhere here as a header, right? Just put the code here. So it says head. Maybe you put it here. There you go. There's your code. Done, right? Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. For other websites, you might be using different plugins or different settings. You could be using a insert headers and footers. So just try to find that in the left side of your console. Alright, what is this? Okay, just ask me to log in. Alright, so in this example, let's work on this client side. Let's take a look see. Ayan, so it has the plugin insert headers and footers. So if you have this, don't just lazily put it at the header.php. You can actually put it here, scripts and header. So you can add it here. So let's put here, add the new tag. There you go, done. Right? Easy peasy lemon squeezy. So in this example, I've already put a tag manager for this website. So that's it. Once it's installed, you're done. Really. Once you're done, it's gonna give you access to your workspace. Once in your workspace, this is the time for you to create new tags and fire triggers. Right? Each tag should come with a trigger. Otherwise, it's not gonna work. So let's see if I put some tags here. So as you can see, there's some tags here in this website. Another website that I'm working on is this website, I think. Yeah. So this example, let's look at the tags I fired here. Ayan, there's a lot of tags, so you can use different types of schema. So what this does is it eases the load on your web page. So each web page, if you put JSON LD or any schema markup sa header nila per page, it's gonna increase your load time. So by utilizing Google Tag Manager, you're actually addressing speed, which is a ranking factor. So yun lang, that's how you add yung Google Tag Manager. And then once you already have Google Tag Manager installed, all you need to do is to create tags, right? So balik tayo dito. So kunyari, I'm working on BMH Electrics, and then tags. I want to add a new tag. Let's say this tag is called schema 0. And knowing that it's a code, you should click on custom HTML. This is for you, bro. Ayan, nalagay mo yung tag mo dyan, right? This is actually an FAQ code. FAQ to, schema FAQ. Pero sample lang to. Let's just put sample. I'm not gonna save this, pero once the code is there, the code is clean, all you need to do is to assign the trigger, bro. So the trigger is for a specific page. So I'm not gonna do all pages. I'm just gonna add the page, and following the URL, it's BMH Electrics, right? So I'm gonna pick one of the pages. So page view. So what that means is every time somebody goes to a specific page, the tag is fired, right? It's triggered. Ito yung trigger mo. So when somebody views your page, automatic the tag is applied. So page URL could be, I don't know, what website am I working on ba? Si BMH to. So BMH, kunyari, about us. Kunyari gusto ko may schema FAQ ko yun. Yan. You just click that, you just save that. Let's put under demo. Ayan. Save mo lang yan. Once that's saved, you should be good. And once this is all good, you just click on save. It's gonna ask you to submit it, implement it, diba? Yan, click on save, publish. Then click on publish pag tapos na. There we go. That's it. In a nutshell, that's all you need to do. That's how you create Google Tag Manager, and then that's how you also add a simple tag using Google Tag Manager. So this is no longer needed. So I'm just gonna bin this kasi hindi ko na siya kailangan. And of course, for you to test if your pages are working, if the tag actually works, you can go to Google and type in structured data testing tool like we used to do back in 2015. So schema markup testing tool, developers.google.com. You pick this one, and then we pick one of the pages. Let's say I'm working on. Let's just say I'm working on one of these pages. Let's say I'm working on this page, right? Click here, Control 9, put it here, test the URL, and it's automatically gonna detect if schema or structured data is present on the specific URL. Remember, you're doing the tag on specific pages, so that means every time a visitor goes to the page, that tag is automatically fired, right? Ayan, so let's just let this load. That's the purpose of Google Tag Manager, but there's a limit to this. So I would advise guys who are doing SEO on, let's say, e-commerce websites to just pick the best categories or the best products you're trying to rank for. Kasi you're not gonna be able to do it for everything. Tag Manager, much like G4, are both unfinished products. Yun lang po. Alright, so let's go back here. So yun, after testing, it says, oh, you have 5 items. You got schema breadcrumbs, FAQs, local business, review snippets, and site links search box. That's it. I hope this helps, and let me know if you have any questions. Cheers, and have a good day.